Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Ilma Suci Permana, majoring in Law, Business, Concentration, Faculty of Sharia and Law, State Islamic University of Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau. Dear Mrs. Lecturer Yanti SHMKM as a lecturer in the course of date making techniques, today I will explain the material about the technique of date making. Okay, let's start now. The word that comes from the Latin acta, which means gets rid of letter will according to Arsbecti and Tijoras Studio in the legal dictionary. That the word acta is the plural form on the word actum, which comes from Latin and means deeds. According to Pilto, that's a document that signs meant to be used as advice and used by people for whom the latest was meant. Meanwhile, according to Sudikno Mertukusuma, a debt is later given expenditure, which contains legal event which form the basis of a right of or an agreement which is made from the beginning intentionally for the purpose of profit. According to the provision of the Act 1867, prohibiting inverting is correct and authentic writing and underhand writing. From the provision of the article above, the debt is divided into two: authentic debt and authentic debt underhand. Next steps of debt. Number 1, authentic debt. An authentic debt is a debt whose form is determined by law. This defines the extent of authentic debts regulated by law. And someone authentic that was formulation indeterminate by law states in the Civil Code Article 1868, which read, an authentic debt is a debt made in the form specified law by or before a public official what is authorized to deceive when the debt was made. The two authentic debts are made by the authorized official. The debt made by the competent authority must be accordance with what is determined by the parties regarding the content of the debt. The trade authentic debt before the authorized official in the case in the parties apart before the authorized official and determine the contents of the debt. Okay, number 2, debt underhand. The definition of an underhand debt is in accordance with the provision of Article 1874 of the Civil Code states, what is considered to be written under the hand is a debt which signed under the hand registration letter, household average letter on the other written made without the intermediary of an official general. From the explanation of the article above, you can see that the debt below the hand is only a letter involving the parties involved in the debt without bringing in the public official what is authorized to do so. Condition for a debt to be called a debt under the hand must meet the following condition: formal and the material requirements. The formal requirements for the debt under the hand: A, written or written; B, met the question of the 2 or more 20 with an assistance of before authorized public official; C, signed by the parties; D, include the date and place of signing. These are the formal requirements determined by article of the Civil Code article. The formal requirements are cumulative. It can be less than that. The material requirement of the debt under the hand regarding the material requirements of the private debt, it can be explained from the following as follows. A. The information contained in the deed under hand contains a profile of death or allow or reach the third king. B. Deliberately made as if evidence terms of the deed under the hand. The maker or deed maker international as evidence to prove the truth of the act or legal relationship described in the deed. Well, I think that's enough explanation from me.